Let's take a look how I made this embroidered patch logo here in Photoshop Beta and Illustrator. Alright, so let's start in Illustrator, and I'm gonna go with this logo as a reference. And from here, I'm gonna go to the Object, Path, and select Offset Path. Here, I'm gonna increase the offset, and I'm gonna try it out with 10. Click OK. And let's go to the Pathfinder and click on Unite. And I'm gonna leave this as it is black. And here we got the thinner version. I'm gonna select it, and as you can see, the whole thing is grouped. So I'm gonna right click on Group. And as you can see, the letter P is down. So I'm gonna select this stroke version, or right click on it. And let's go to Arrange, Send to Back. Now I'm gonna select the top text, right click, Group, and I'm gonna go with a lighter color. I'm also gonna go and remove these inner holes, and I'm gonna select the direct selection tool and select one of the paths, press on delete and delete again. And I'm gonna do this with the rest as well. Also with the direct selection tool, I'm gonna make these areas more rounded. If there is some anchor point in the way, like this one, you can go and select the pen tool, delete anchor point tool, and click on it. And now I'm gonna go and offset this again. Let's select the external stroke. Let's go to Object, Path, select Offset Path. And I'm gonna repeat this process again, and this time I'm gonna go with 15. Click OK, and now you can recolor it. And from here, I'm gonna select the full composition, press Ctrl C, and let's go to Photoshop Beta. And here, I'm gonna go with this artboard size as a reference, press Ctrl V, and select Smart Object, click OK, press and hold Alt, and scale it up. And now let's go to the filter, and select Parametric Filters. And here you can see the very first filter is the embroidery filter. Click on it, and it's gonna make this a really cool embroidered patch automatically. I'm also gonna uncheck the layer with the original logo. And here you got quite a few settings. You also can go here to the resolution and increase the resolution. I'm gonna go with Ultra. I'm gonna go and increase the light angle, 245. Here you can adjust the color. For example, I'm gonna decrease it to 2. And now it looks like this. And here you got the density. I'm also gonna increase that. So it's gonna make the embroidery even more thinner and realistic looking. I'm gonna increase it more. I think 190 is good. And then here we got the fill outline thickness. Oh wow. This is gonna mess it up quite a bit, but I'm gonna decrease it. I think 0.21 is pretty good. And then here we got the thickness. Now this is gonna fill up the whole composition, so I'm gonna decrease it. Length. Oh, okay, so this is gonna increase the distance in between these. I think this is really good, so I'm gonna go down to 0.3. And then you got the smooth edges. If you increase it, it is going to melt the letters together. You also can tweak the imperfection if you want. It is gonna make it look wild, but I'm gonna decrease it because embroideries should be pretty clean. So these are my settings, and this is how the patch looks. And pretty much that's it. Thanks for watching.